it's T here, and what I'm doing is I'm trying to show my husband the idea that I have for this particular wall, and rather than tell him and this and this and this, I'm drawing on this wall because this wall is going to be covered. I don't care, and I suggest you try it out. So I'll keep going. Here I'm going to have a Hi. What I'm doing here is I'm drawing out what I want to do to this wall. So the plan is, since I'm going to be covering this wall, I don't care about drawing on it. So here I'm going to have shelves, floor to ceiling shelves coming out to here. So the shelves will come out to here, one up here. Down here I'm going to have cupboards with 2 doors so I can put items that are going to be hidden away. Here I'm going to have a faux fireplace, and this area is going to be cut out. This is the mantle for the fireplace. Up here is going to be bare. I'm going to put a big star mirror that I can get at Sweet Decoration, and this is the mirror. And then over here it's going to duplicate over there, so we're going to have shelves. For example, I can take this silver tin and I can put it over here. And I can have more books, and we could have some family photos like that. And then down here we can have cupboards with 2 doors and shelves all the way up. So by this way I'm able to show what I want to do, and it gives my gorgeous husband here an idea as to what I want to do. So that's it.
Some of the world is right.